Hi, check.
Itadakimasu.
5:32. And it's only our lunch, by the way.
But I need to.
Atika, show what you got.
I got. How to show? I cannot bring this out.
I'll just bring the camera out.
I got. Sorry. I got meal from.
I got beef bandung
It's horizontal.
again. Alright. Just cannot see what we eat.
Sila. Sorry, inappropriate lah. Allah mabaik nanti lah. Okay lah, tak pernah. Amin. Itu begitu terbaca guys.
It's like, it looks good, yeah.
Can I taste?
Sure.
Yeah, I want to try the hair.
Wait, out the biscuit first. I got time to tie your hair.
I can never eat with my hair down here.
No, I just saying that because I short hair.
Oh.
So I need to tie my hair.
Aku blur.
That is spicy, yeah.
Oh, it looks so good.
Oh, the prawn
Fish
taste,
too.
the prawn taste very strong. Huh?
Can't see you eat. Right on me.
We need like,
The expand
The
one. I think
whole-
the one get expand what?
cannot, mine cannot.
For video cannot.
Cannot. Front camera cannot, but back camera can.
But I saw. Tak perlu saya, tak perlu.
Cannot. Front camera.
Oh, but photo can. So you can.
Photo I can. Video I cannot.
Now I know.
Fine. Now taste. Now taste your. We're gonna finish yeah. Oh, my spoon is here by the way.
What is that food? Let's use lah, the same. I don't mind also.
So good. Sedap. 8 out of 10.
I like my mom. But nice.
This is
Spicy lah.
6 out of 10. Yeah, spicy. I don't eat something spicy. Even though I'm coffee. I miss that sound.
Oh, I bite my own mouth. My lip. Oh, it hurts.
That's the one that will go out, right?
No, no. I used to.
I used to love it so bad, yeah.
At Vista Point near my school, you had that. Then I always did have coins. So I just 9 only. Then shake. Like him ah.
I'm surprised they still have it.
Look at the father trying to find coins.
It's like $1 or 50 cents.
Not know anymore probably.
Now use coin now. Still use coin.
Yeah, but maybe the price increase what?
Oh.
But never mind, I couldn't find coin.
Sorry guys, we're not talking because we're just enjoying our food. At this point, you're just hungry lah, sia.
In our defense, this is our first meal of the day.
Hello.
I mean, technically, even if it's not our first meal, we still never talk what we eat before.
Okay, but I did have breakfast today, sia.
She's healthy.
I had toast. and scrambled egg.
My mom actually put out fries for me
Wow.
and nuggets.
I never eat.
I never see because it was she cooked when we were sending the kids to madrasah.
Mother cook already, don't want to eat.
Technically, it wasn't for me lah. It was for everybody in the house. So
But you can at least take a bite or something like.
I have a thing of not eating.
Experience.
I do not have an ED, guys. I never.
The food is not bad. I like it.
I've been looking at mics now. I've been looking at cameras. I want to buy a mirrorless camera. I no money, yeah.
Mirrorless camera.
Yeah, so you can flip up.
Oh. The front face one.
Yeah.
Okay, then you get the Sony one.
I like the Nikon one also.
But you know, I realized if you buy the Sony one don't have flashlight, no.
That's why I said the Nikon one. The Nikon or Olympus.
Oh. So whoever who got the Sony one need to buy an external light source.
But the Nikon and the other one got flash.
But I don't know whether it's bright also.
What?
The lighting. I mean the flash.
Sometimes I wonder why I like seafood. Like I like to eat like noodle seafood, right? But I don't even eat seafood. But it just tastes so good.
With the flavor lah. Oh the
We just put on the smells, yeah.
even their coffee.
It was so strong that it literally went up my
Yeah, I
my
was
throat
like,
and my
even
nose.
now like. At home also if my mom cook like this, right? Oh, I cough like crazy, yeah. I don't know that. Really?
I know you don't like, just not for you. I like slurping my noodles.
Oh,
I think pasta, honey.
it's easy to eat. Plus, I got basin, so it's easy for me.
Yeah, how long already you have it? I forgot that.
How long? 2 months? 2 months? Not so long ago.
Have you ever had this like toy where you like knife on it and it's like a car, but there's no pedal or accelerate lah. It's just like that. You keep moving.
Oh, that's by the steering wheel.
Yeah, but have you had that?
Expensive, yeah?
I got that once. My brother pecahkan. It was mine. Pecahkan because he was too heavy. Then he boleh nak dah laju. Dah langgar.
I don't think I had the luxury last time.
I also buy. I also had a scooter available for pecahkan.
Scooter, yes. But my scooter got stolen. Because we put it outside.
Ini masing
I think it's because it's near Sing-Song. That's why probably got people take.
I live like normal HDB got nothing around.
Yeah. My area busy. Hey, even our sleeper can go missing. Is that bad? Last time, but now not so much.
I used to live at Star Point area, Cliffy's house.
Oh.
He live at 543 or 540. I live at 544. Me and him was not friends.
It's not now it's near the MRT, right? The Thousand Line.
Dia biar MRT lah.
Yeah. Remember that time Raya? When I came to his house.
Last year, right, that one?
Yeah, last year. It was the last house, I think.
Or last minute also.
Yeah. It's the one that we eat the pizza, right? That one?
Pizza belanja.
Oh, yeah, that one.
Pizza belanja Wah. I would never belanja my friends that many people.
I shocked lah.
That many people I wouldn't buy that.
Oh, yeah.
I mean like
Depend lah.
when I'm older, like
Older when I got money then maybe
this time lah, but at this age like I'm not really lah. Like I wouldn't mind belanja my like small girlfriends or like my family, but like at this age I wouldn't belanja like a whole
group ah.
that 20 people. No.
I don't know more. How people working here?
I don't know. What is this? Is it fish? It's fish.
I've never like sliced fish. I've never. When I eat ban mian, right? I usually got sliced fish or the fried fish. I take the fried fish. I've never like sliced fish.
I don't really mind. Because I think because I'm the type that prefers fish over the rest. So like, for me, fried fish is just fish.
I don't like the texture.
You go my house, it's always chicken.
Chicken is a no issue.
But my dad prefers fish. So on some days he will cook fish. But I don't like fish's skin.
Same. Even if it's fried, then I still don't eat.
Fried?
Maybe like a bit, yeah.
A bit.
But not so much lah. Not like the whole thing. My boy-in-law don't eat yellow noodles. He doesn't eat yellow noodles.
I prefer yellow noodle of all the noodles. It's my favorite noodle.
He only eat the tom yum lah.
Kway teow.
Kway teow, bihun. Mostly bihun. Ini ada kind of Pasu is nice lah.
Kasuan so much flavor.
Yeah.
And that's why they make it with rice.
Yeah, it's great. Too spicy.
I'm also thirsty, they're hungry.
I'm hungry. Then I can see the difference. I'm finishing already. Habis ya.
Belum lagi. my drink.
I always can never finish my drinks.
It depends. See, if I finish my food, I probably won't finish my drink.
I go out. I always share my drink with my sister.
I never share drinks. So I always finish it. I'll try my best to finish it. Oh, where are we? We are at
Simpang Bedok. Here got Tangki so. Can eat hakao guys. Can't believe they eat hakao sia.
what the hell is that?
It's like not dumpling shape, but inside is just purely prawn meat. That's all. Yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't mind trying. I just, not I don't eat. It's more of I've never eaten it before. So,
I'll bring you to explore.
some other guys. I'm adopted to her family now.
Just now.
Just now.
My mom called me. My mom is Batam, so she was just checking out on me whether I go out already or not. So I put on speaker. Then she asked me who I go out with. I said it's Atika. Then she said hi. Then my mom say, then after that where y'all go? I was like, not sure yet lah. Haven't planned anything yet. Then my mom straight away say, ask her to come over lah. Got nobody at home. Then I say got my bro-in-law. Then my mom was like, tak apalah, dia duduk kat luar pun. I was like, huh? For what?
The thing is, the parents are not even home. There's literally no point in me coming.
Oh well.
I'm adopted, guys.
For Batam. For Batam trip.
But that scares me. What's wrong with him?
He okay lah.
I know he's okay, but he's like, he's
He talk a lot lah, you know.
My dad don't talk a lot, sia. You see my dad? My dad don't talk to you also.
Talk to you. My dad can talk nonsense.
My dad don't talk to my friends when they come over.
That's true. After I enter, it's like psycho. Then that's it.
That is it.
That's it.
But if they want my friend to eat or drink, right, they will call me out. And say, Ika, your friend nak makan eh? Ika,
Ah, really ah?
Yeah. That's why, you know my three brothers, so when you want bubble tea, right, it's like, your friend want bubble tea.
Dia brother yes.
Like, they like to talk to her through me, instead of talking to her directly.
Just that, even though I'm like right there in front of him, he will just talk to Atika. And then I go ask bubble tea. I was literally just there. You can just ask me if I want bubble tea. But he went through Atika's like, hey, your friend want bubble tea. Like, I didn't like literally at him, looking at him. He just asked me what.
But with like her family, it's like they will ask me what I want.
Yeah, we will.
But mine, they will talk to mine are huge introverts, yeah, my family. It's like me also, you know. So when my parents ask me things, I'm just like, yeah, let me think. Because I don't know how to answer.
It's fine.
Anisha.
That difference though.
It's so funny. Like, they don't even talk to you in front of you.
Yeah, I would.
They be like, your friend dah makan belum? I put that one. So you all eat lah. And I'm like, I don't know when my friend hungry. Let's go back and eat. You makan? Yeah.
But the bubble tea was true. The one time.
We are introverts lah. My families are full of introverts. Unless you meet my second brother. You never see him before.
I never see your first. I never see your second.
You see my
And your
first.
fourth. I never see.
You seen my fourth also. But it's always in the room lah.
Nah, that's why I never see.
But you seen my first what?
No? Never.
Bapa Adam oh.
Oh shit, yeah, okay, yeah. My bad. Oh, yeah, I never see your second. Third, yes. For mana? Third. Right, that one right, that's the third, right?
Yeah. And before that, so you got see one time only lah. Dancing. Oh, dancing.
Oh, I never see. But for the third, I did see.
My second brother that has never met any of my friends. But he's the most extrovert lah.
Man.
He's the most extrovert, but he's never met anybody. And because I don't live with him.
Most probably that now. The one that we always see is your first, right? Adam one. The girl's name is apa? The girl's name.
Nashwa, Najwa.
Nashwa.
My family call you the tall one, the tall friend. Let me
Can you
just
like
say
introduce my name next time?
I always did. You don't remember. Even though she has come to my house like so often.
Want to say call me Nina also, that's so weird because that's only my family calls me. I think the only people that calls me Nina is my rugby friends and my family.
I special. Call by her secondary school name.
I think all the secondary school friends call me by Kam. Yeah.
I don't like calling you Medina, I'm sorry. I don't like the name.
Yeah, last time I also don't like her. But I think I'm going to it because my family use it a lot.
I had a previous niece named Nina.
And you didn't like her?
Ex that.
Oh.
Yeah, and then we were friends. She's in like.
Okay, but you don't have to bring that to my name, right?
No. I said I'm okay with her. I'm okay with her. Just whenever I call somebody, right? If it's a nickname, why Nina? Why hit two?
It's two separate names. Yeah, that's why.
Why is it not like one?
It's very hard for me to, you know.
Like
I don't even know how Nina comes about.
I mean my nickname also is technically two lah. Ika. But sometimes you don't even hear. My name is Ika. But people don't call me Ika.
Yeah.
People call me my full name. Because I don't like people calling my name.
I think your short form. I think technically your name is really so short.
No short.
Yeah. There's no short form to it. I think people call you Atik, but that's so weird.
Not used to call me Atik. Rap also.
Atik. Rap, you go by Atika.
No, Rap also call me Atik if sometimes. Because of Nadia.
Oh, okay. It's probably kena influence.
Yeah. But it's either Atika or Ika. But honestly, I don't allow people to call me Ika. Family. But if I talk to you in Malay, I'll still say Ika lah. Because I got used to it with my name.
Yeah. But like, how do you find a short form from your name?
You cannot.
Cannot. It just sounds so weird.
It sounds weird, yeah. My name like physically cannot get a short form.
You know, as much as I hate people call me Rina, I had to use that name for work, you know. And it's so disgusting.
Why?
Because my name is too long for you to pronounce.
I say Nina lah. Why can't you use Nina? Why use Nina? Why use because your name doesn't actually have Nina.
Yeah, that's the thing. So if I was to introduce myself as Nina, then like you'll be like, who the hell is Nina? So yeah.
But people call you Rina.
I don't like Rina, sia. Then got one staff call me Arina. Maybe it is from my name, but I've never come Arina. I just removed the N. So it's the last 5.
So let's take the first one, the first three, right?
Yeah, exactly right. Ari dah siapa sah?
Your name panjang ah.
Yeah.
My name short. But my brother, everybody, if you want call me nickname, is only Ika lah. I don't allow any other nickname.
If you had a chance to change your name, would you change your name?
Yes.
I also sia. I will change my name sia. I think for me, I will change it permanently to Nina. I kind of like Nina now. But it's very hard because it can't be like Nur Nina. Like, get what I mean? So it must be straight to Nina. But there's Nina Binti. That's so weird.
I don't know what I want to change to, but definitely not Atika. Honestly, until now,
Actually, I think I'm so common
when I
sia.
was young until now, I never liked Atika because it's so common and it's a meh name. Like, it's not special. It's not like unique. It's common. And when you say it, it's just like, meh. Nothing special about it.
Some people got unique names like Ukasha, like very Arabic.
I like the Arabic kind of name.
I like so sia. Even though it's long, but it's nice sia when you pronounce it out. Yeah, next time you name your baby later.
See how lah.
You know, baby names so complicated sia. It's like a few names in one.
You know, every time, you know Adam, Muaz, Aura, Najwa, they got two names, right? So Adam is Adam Mirhan. Then Muaz is Adi Muaz. And then Najwa is Aura Najwa, then Aira Najwa. But in school, right, they always call the girls by the second name, the first name. I always call by second name. So whenever I fetch them from school, right, hey, can I fetch Najwa and Najwa? Who? Oh, Aura, Aida. I was like, Aura, okay. And I was just like,
Aura sounds nice.
Aura is nice, yeah.
Aura.
But I always call her by Nashwa.
I think Nasha nicer there.
I like
The second name nicer.
That's why I like Nashwa, so it sounds more Arabic there. Like the Arabic names are nice for me lah. If I can call Muaz Adli, nice yeah. Adli sedap yeah. But Muaz is very common, that's why I don't mind calling it Muaz.
Alin.
Adli, A-D-L-I.
Or Adlin.
Berlin, tak ada N. A-D-L-I only.
Adlin.
His name is Ali Muaz. Then Adam is Adam Mirhan.
Adam common lah.
But Mirhan not. But that's why everybody call him Adam because it's common.
I think it's just the first name thing. So always find a name for your first name.
No, but my second brother, latest child, the baby, right, is, you know his name is Iman Dai. You all call him Edamame ah?
That's so rare.
You all call him Edamame. Like Idamami. Idamami. So his name is literally Iman Daim. If you say very fast, it sounds very like that. So it's called Idamami.
So unique though. I jealous whoever got unique names. Like, wow.
So is your sister pregnant? Is your sister pregnant?
My sister, no? Wait, which sister?
Any? That's married.
No, they're not.
You got mama, you got mama.
The fact that I can't even see what I'm feeling. Okay, they still haven't made the football just now.
Huh? Maybe they boy.
How would they say that? I can't see.
Oh, I want to tell you, yeah, the guy. Thank you, so.
Nah. Pass the brother test first. You.
Wow, yeah. The
That's a
self-control,
plus
you know.
point
The
right
self-control.
Right. Oh my god, important question. Does he dress well? You know, some people just purely don't like plain water.
Right.
Sister.
The water is nice.
Cold plain water is nice.
I don't mind any water. It's not, if I'm very thirsty,
Yeah,
right,
very
water
thick,
is
water
just so
is
good.
nice. Yeah, good. Yeah, đấy, tôi
Okay, bye-bye. We have finished our food.
we'll have a round 2 later. Come back.
We have gotten desserts now.
Actually, it's almost finishing our sorry.
Sorry, but mine also.
Also just now we had red bean pao. It was so good. I'm asking her to try hakao, guys. Nice? I think she'll like the red bean better. Right?
I remember eat this one. She's getting yole and
With strawberry.
I got the milk cow ice cream. This is my favorite ever.
I do like it. I'm a hater. Look where we are right now.
Honestly, because you were already in the east lah.
Yeah.
We would never come here
we
by
never come
itself.
this far, so yeah.
But because you were already in the east. So yeah.
It was an impromptu plan. It's very crowded, guys.
I'm gonna just show y'all the. Look at it. Look at it. Like astaghfirullah.
Actually, I didn't expect to be this packed. Also, today they had the Avengers game. I find it meh.
It's technically Saturday and it's a school holiday. So
What I did?
for the primary school all holiday.
What holidays ah?
After mid exam.
Tuesday have one.
Now
I
what?
said normal school. What?
I don't know, my niece and nephew all at the holiday.
Oh, today I thought I don't have what?
We don't have, but they have.
What the fuck?
I don't know what holiday, but they have.
Yesterday so fortunate, bro.
I was so shocked when they told me that yesterday they no school. Then I was like, you got no school, why?
I mean, after exam, it's still normal school. What?
I don't know, but they had no school yesterday. Then I was like, huh? You got no school?
It's fortunate that even the government removed some of the exam. Like the midterm all don't have already. Right? I think. Some of the exam lah.
Depends on what year you at lah.
And what year you enroll? Okay, that's the end guys. Bye-bye. We'll come back later. Bye.
If we eating more.
We're waiting more.
Most probably. Supper. My one is behind the camera.
Right.
What? What is that?
As expected, we bought something to yum yum.
Not sponsored. Oops.